In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a to-do in Basecamp. If you've been wanting to organize your tasks more effectively and keep your project on track, you're in luck. Basecamp offers a straightforward way to manage your to-do lists, and I'll guide you through the entire process. Let's jump right in and explore how you can do this effortlessly. To get started, the first thing you want to do is open up the project where you want to create your to-do. Basecamp organizes its projects neatly, making it easy to find and select the one you're working on. Once you're in the right project space, you'll want to navigate to the To-Dos section. This is where all your lists will be housed, allowing for effective organization of your tasks. In the To-Do section, you'll see an option to add a new list. Look for the plus New List button, a friendly little sign that lets you know you're about to create something new. Give it a click. It's important to think of a list as a collection of related tasks, so when you're about to create one, consider what major task or project phase it'll relate to. This clarity will help not just you, but everyone else working on the project to stay on the same page. Once you've hit that plus New List button, you'll be prompted to enter a title for your list. Think of something descriptive and clear, like Launch Checklist. A good title really sets the stage for what this list entails and makes it easier for everyone to understand its purpose at a glance. Now, you have the option, and I highly recommend taking it, to add a description. This is your chance to provide some context for the list. Maybe there are specific notes you want to make, or crucial files or links to include that pertain to this collection of tasks. You can even mention team members using the @mention feature to assign responsibility or ask for input. Utilitarian, yet robust, these little touches in your description can significantly enhance communication within your team by providing all the necessary tidbits right where the task is. And there you have it. Your to-do list is created and ready to be filled with tasks and tasks alone. Clear communication and organization are key, especially as projects grow and evolve. So go ahead and enrich your lists with detailed descriptions, files, and links to amplify your team's productivity. Keep exploring Basecamp and leverage its simple yet powerful features to make your project management seamless and stress-free. Thank you for tuning in, and happy organizing.